Hi everyone, I am Manil Kumar, motivational speaker. Today I am going to speak about leadership. As you all know, leadership is not an easy job. It's required lot of skills, lot of good qualities, and lot of dedications. So leadership itself has 10 alphabetical letters. These each alphabetical letters will stand for and define leadership. Leadership to take a lead of others, as you all know, it's not easy job. It's a very difficult task. Everybody is individually strong, but take a lead. It's not a easy job. It's a very difficult job. We can do wonder individually, but if you would like to do with a team, it's difficult. So each letters will stand for will define leadership. What are they? I will explain each letters so that you will get understand what is leadership, what leadership qualities should require a true leader. We will come to know. After that, if we follow these traits or skills, so that we will become a leaders. To create a leaders, it's required a lot of patience. It's required a lot of dedications. So we have to create each individual as a leader so that our country will grow, our organizations will grow, our society will grow, everything will be grow. So it is very important that what leadership stands for, what each alphabet's letters will speak about leadership. So we'll come to know in this video, so that after completion of this video, we'll come to know the idea of leadership, what leadership qualities should have. So let's begin with L. What do you mean by L? L means listening. Listen. A true leader will always listen other problems. You will not react or act immediately. You will listen first. What other people have the problem, you will listen always. This is called listening. L stands for listening. The next letter is E. What E stands for? E stands for empathizing. What I mean by empathizing? Everybody will give sympathy towards anything. Sympathy is a easy thing, we can show sympathy, but empathy it's quite difficult because we have to show them the right path. They have to stand on their own feet, and we have to take them in a right path. So this is called empathy. Sympathy, we can show, anybody can show sympathy, but empathy, a true leader always empathized. The next letter stands A. What A stands for? A true leader always acting intentionally. You should have a purpose. You must have a intention to serve others. You will always take a lead with acting intentionally. The next letter D. What D stands for? D stands for dedicating time for others. A true leader always dedicate his time to others to grow. So you should have a quality that dedicating time for others. Then next letter E. What E stands for? E stands for empowering others. A true leader always empowering others. You will give a time to empower towards others. So he always has a good qualities of empowering others. The next letter is R. What R stands for? R stands for removing obstacles. In any path, we'll have so many obstacles to reach our goal. A true leader will always remove the obstacles for his subordinates to achieve the goal. You will make it easy to others to achieve their goal very easily through obstacles. He will remove always obstacles. You will create the path to reach success. Then next letter is yes. What yes stands for? A true leader always serving others. You always serve others. You will always have a time to serve others. Is very good quality that serving others. The next letters H. What H stand for? A true leader always helping with humanity. You will always as a quality that humanity. You will think of humanity and he is always used to help with others what he is having the team. The next letter is I. What I stands for? Yeah, I stands for inter, interact with integrity. A true leader always has integrity quality. He will always interact with his group and he will always interact with integrity of his subordinates. Then next letter P. What P stands for? P stands for persevering. What do you mean by persevering? He will create a determination of others to achieving goal. So he'll always determine the goal for his subordinates. So these 10 alphabetical letters define about a true leadership qualities. A true leader always should have these 10 qualities or traits which I've explained through alphabetical orders. So you will get to know that leaders what is leadership. A leadership must have these qualities like L stands for listening, E stand for empathy, A stand for acting intentionally, D stand for dedicating time for others, E stand for empowering others or stand for removing obstacles, S stand for serving others, H stands for helping with humanity, I stand for interact with integrity, P stand for preserving. So these qualities or traits must have a true leaders. So these 10 traits are very important to become a true leader. Thank you.